Captain India and I are two extremes of the spectrum. People call me the silent roaster because of how inaudible I am in my videos. हाँ, figure out कर रही हूँ audio का. And Captain India, well.
Washing boys, washing boys, washing boys. Basu bhai, it's washing boys time.
भाई यार वंशज तो कब से है YouTube पे? तुझे तो साउंड फिक्स करना आता ही होगा. थोड़ा आराम से ही बोल ले. In case you don't know, Vanshaj Mehta, aka Captain India, changed his content recently from commentary to vlogs. And creators have all the rights and freedom to leave one certain genre of content and move on to another. But content रहना तो चाहिए.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I mean, ये क्या ही है?
All good, baby? Are you all good right now?
And his friends have the audacity to laugh at other people and call them cringe. पर cringe होना कोई पाप नहीं है. I mean, if you see my Instagram stories, you will understand why I don't have the guts to call other people cringe. Yes, follow me on Instagram. भाई वीडियो शुरू भी नहीं हुई अभी. Sorry. Coming back at it, being cringe is subjective and not an issue actually. But Captain India is seeming a little problematic. The video that forced me to check out his other videos and make this was... Now, where do I begin? टाइटल और थंबनेल देख के मुझे लगा या तो ये वीडियो इंफॉर्मेशनल और अवेयरनेस टाइप होगी. ज्ञान की चोरी सब कुछ मीनिंगफुल होना जरूरी नहीं होता. इसीलिए the second thing I thought was that this might be just a plain fun video. But
मैं अभी लेजिट फीमेल वॉशरूम में जा सकता हूँ एंड किसी को मेरे पे शक नहीं होगा. एक्चुअली देखा जाए ना तो ऐसा गेटअप करना इट्स एक्चुअली वर्थ इट.
if you don't get why this is problematic, well, I am an expert on everything. I can totally help you with that. The stigma around transgender people is already huge, not only in India but all over the world. The problem is such that trans people cannot even freely use restrooms in public places. Cis people claim that letting trans women use female restroom would give ideas to molesters. Oh, what kind of ideas, you ask?
मैं अभी लेजिट फीमेल वॉशरूम में जा सकता हूँ एंड किसी को मेरे पे शक नहीं होगा.
I mean, I ask you, close your eyes and think about how many gender-neutral bathrooms you have in your area. I'll kinda be relieved if you say just one. The stigma, stereotypes and misinformation regarding LGBTQ+ community पहले ही बहुत ज़्यादा है. The dating scene for trans people is even worse. And these stupid gimmicks by these influential YouTubers just make things worse. This clip made me, a cis woman, feel uncomfortable and pathetic. I mean, how can you just freely say that?
Honestly, being a girl is tough, okay? हमारे जो कपड़े होते हैं बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल हैं. मेरे को पूरे टाइम वो स्ट्रैप चुभ रहे थे यार यहाँ पे.
Yes, as a woman, I can say that this is the biggest problem that I face in my life. Being a girl is so tough because my clothes are so uncomfortable. Gender discrimination at home, molestation on streets, unequal opportunities at workplaces, the fear of saying no just because I might be harmed in the process. Those are secondary problems. The main problem that we as women feel is that our clothes are really uncomfortable. Till a couple months ago, I was actually impressed by his achievements at such a young age. But then I started noticing that he flexes it at every chance that he gets. Now it's one thing to be proud of your success, your hard work and everything, but another to feel superior just because of that. He posted an apology video, which we will talk about later. In that video, he mentioned that he is uploading that video in his second channel because he does not want everyone to see it. He only wants people who are his fans hurtfully to watch that video. But then in the same video he says,
क्या तुम लोग अभी खुद से मुंबई शिफ्ट हो सकते हो बिना मॉम डैड की हेल्प मांगे? सारे एक्सपेंसेस खुद उठा सकते हो.
if you come at me and say that this was meant for his haters, then
मेरे को ये वीडियो बस अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए बनानी थी. मैं नहीं चाहता कि इसको सारे लोग देखें. मैं बस चाहता हूँ जो लोग मेरे को लाइक हार्टफुली फॉलो करते हैं, क्योंकि इस चैनल पे ऑब्वियसली वही लोग आएंगे. मैं चाहता हूँ सिर्फ वही लोग इस वीडियो को देखें.
you know majority of your followers are young impressionable minds. Then why him or his fans might claim that either he is very proud of his achievements, so he's just vocalizing his pride, or he is inspiring other young people to achieve more and to be more financially independent. But you're literally luring young people into this thing just because it worked out well for you. The success that you got, there is no one simple formula for that. But when you keep shoving it in your viewers as is, they might just get disappointed when they don't receive the same results as you did. There are many other people of your age who are also working other jobs, earning money, but they cannot afford to leave their houses and live by themselves because their families might need support, because their circumstances might be different. It worked for you because of several other factors along with your talent and hard work. For every successful person, there are always these other factors besides talent. Young people watching your videos might not have those other things in their favor, and they'll eventually end up with self-doubt and disappointment if they do not get the similar results as you did. I mean, it's not like he gives a fuck about the impact his videos, his actions, his decisions are having on other people or the people around him. He kind of went from being the smartest young YouTubers to
भाई मैं ऐसे डालूंगा कि ऐसे भाई एक नाक में डाल दूंगा मैं जा रहा हूँ
imagine living in his neighborhood though. Imagine having a real rough day at work and finally you're on your way home and you're thinking that finally I'll be away from all the stress and worries and I'll get home and I'll be away from all that tension and finally I'll be able to relax and achieve my mental peace. But then you get home to this.
मेरे बच्चे को हाथ कैसे लगा रहा है छू कैसे रहा है चुप हो जा व्लॉग कर रही है मैं
They recently got a notice for being loud by their residency. They did not get evicted, they just received a notice for being loud. And we thought that maybe they'll learn their lesson or maybe they'll try to improve themselves. But then in the next vlog, we got this. I thought this was just a human thing to be considerate of people around you, but I guess not.
मैं जा रहा हूँ
But no, he is a good boy. He asked his viewers not to come at their place because
जो हमारा लाइक रेजिडेंट्स है उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है ये सबसे एंटायर लाइक कैमरे और लाइक ऑडियंस वगैरह का कंसेप्ट उनको क्लियर नहीं है
उनको ऑडियंस का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है. The fuck? You don't have to put your neighbors down to appear cool.
दैट इज व्हाई मैं तुम लोगों को बोलता हूँ इवन इफ तुम लोगों को पता है कि हम इधर हैं तो प्लीज डोंट कम क्योंकि इट ओनली क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर अस
For you, if anything, it would cause problems for the other residents. Jeez, for once think about the other people. And people call me a narcissist. His videos and his personality right now is giving me major 2018-29 ke Jake Paul wali vibes, which might not really be a good thing. I mean, I don't think anyone in their right senses would want to become that, but that's just my personal opinion, so that doesn't really matter. At one point, Vanshaj was calling out other YouTubers for promoting certain gambling apps, but then later on started promoting them himself in his videos. His viewers obviously started calling him out for that, so he made this apology, justification, taking accountability, something video. He started the video saying that he won't defend himself but just take accountability for his actions, but then goes on to defend himself for the next 7 minutes.
कमेंट्री जॉनर या फिर कॉल आउट जॉनर एक ऐसा जॉनर है जहाँ पे तुम लोग कितने भी फैक्ट्स प्रेजेंट कर लो लोग उसी की बात मानते हैं जो लास्ट रिस्पॉन्ड करता है
Please take notes on how to manipulate your own viewers.
तुम लोग मेरी ये वीडियो देखोगे और तुम लोग मेरे पॉइंट सुनोगे तुम लोग मेरी बात मानने लग जाओगे क्योंकि बिल्कुल उस कमेंट की तरह मैं तुम लोगों को अपनी बातों से कन्विंस कर लूंगा
Manipulation 101.
आई एम नॉट रिच आई हैव टू पे माई घर का रेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल खाना वाईफाई का बिल एंड वो सब जो मुझे एक साल पहले तक खुद से नहीं देना पड़ता था
Listen, officer, I know I did wrong and I apologize for that. I take full accountability for my actions, but let me give you my reasons for that. Not excuses, just reasons. I'm not defending myself. I'm just telling you why I did what I did. I had to sell DRUGS to middle school kids because I need to pay my bills, okay? I want financial independence, so it's okay for me to do that. What more do you want from me? Accountability ले ली ना मैंने अपने actions की. In today's video, we will learn the worst and the best way to apologize and take accountability for your actions. Hey, I'm sorry. I was at fault to do that, and you bringing it up just made me realize why I was at wrong, and I promise I will better my ways. Don't do that. Do this instead. Hey, I'm sorry, I was wrong and I just wanted to apologize and also tell you why I did what I did. I mean, yeah, I was wrong, but not really because I had my reasons. I'm giving you reasons, not excuses. So just listen to me and you will understand why I did what I did, okay?
लेट मी मेक माई सेल्फ वेरी क्लियर मैं तुम्हें रीजंस बताऊंगा एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं
Some of his viewers did get manipulated and they were saying things like, financial independence is very important and your actions are justified. The want for financial independence is not a justifiable excuse, especially if you yourself have talked about how it is wrong in the first place. But again, I think it's my fault that I'm expecting him to be conscious of his actions. Now that his own fans are criticizing him for whatever it is that he's putting on YouTube, once again, he is manipulating the rest of his viewers by saying,
मुझे तो 13 साल के बच्चे बोल रहे कि व्लॉग फनी करो भाई मैं व्लॉग कैसे फनी करूं तेरी मम्मी करती थी व्लॉग फनी अपने
here's the thing, Vanshaj. Once upon a time, you told your fans that you can make vlogs fun and interesting. I think your fans are just waiting for that moment to arrive. And to be honest, as a creator, you can do whatever the fuck you want to do. It's your channel, go ahead. But just don't be how do I say it politely? A douchebag. That's it for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. You can also check out my other videos on the channel, and if you like them, subscribe to the channel. You'll see me in the next one. Bye. If you are his fan, then, well, someone had to say it. I'm sorry.